In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a nice UI landing page using Replit's Landing Page Builder, an intuitive tool that allows you to design a landing page effortlessly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing landing page tailored to your specific needs. To start off, let's access Replit's Landing Page Builder. This tool is a great choice for anyone aiming to generate a landing page simply by describing their requirements. Navigate to the builder and you'll see just how simple it is to get started. The interface is user-friendly, so even if you're new to this, you'll find your way around quickly. Now, it's time to input your project details. Provide a concise yet clear description of what you want your landing page to achieve. For example, you might say, create a SaaS product landing page with a hero section, feature highlights, pricing table, and a contact form. Or, if you're focused on gathering leads, perhaps something like, design a lead generation page with a compelling call to action, testimonials, and an email capture form. Being precise in your description ensures that the generated page aligns closely with your business goals. Once you've got the initial layout, it's time to customize your design. Replit's Visual Editor is a powerful tool that lets you adjust various elements to better reflect your brand identity. You can play around with colors to match your brand palette, choose fonts that convey your message effectively, and tweak the layout to optimize user experience. Customization isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an interface that communicates your core values and resonates with your audience. After you've made the necessary adjustments, you'll want to preview your landing page. This step is crucial to ensure that everything looks and functions exactly as you envisioned. Check each section carefully. Is the call to action visible and inviting? Are the features laid out clearly? Does the pricing table provide all the information potential customers need? Once you're satisfied that all elements are in place and performing well, you're ready for deployment. Deploying your landing page directly from Replit is the final step, where your efforts come to fruition. This seamless process allows your page to go live without the need for additional tools or platforms. Enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your creation out in the world, ready to engage and convert your target audience. And there you have it, the entire process of creating a visually appealing landing page using Replit's Landing Page Builder. By following these steps, you can craft a professional, effective landing page that is not only aligned with your brand, but also equipped to meet your strategic objectives. Remember, a well-designed landing page is a critical component of your digital presence. So take full advantage of the tools and customization options available to make it the best it can be.